Yeah, don't you see that I'm busy? I'm busy, please.
See, we will do all these things tomorrow. Come on, come to bed.
See, yeah, let me finish with some of this. I'm gonna mention
Please, you see, you will do all this one tomorrow.
I don't like what you're doing. Don't you see that I'm busy? And I'm going to the shop tomorrow morning.
We will do all this tomorrow now. Come to bed.
See, leave me. Let me finish with this thing. Or else I will leave you here and go to the sitting room.
You will go to the sitting room just because I want to play with you. You will go to the sitting room. You see, I'm already in the mood now. Please, we'll do all those things tomorrow. Please, forget about it now.
See, I will be busy in the shop tomorrow. So that's why I'm trying to sort something out before tomorrow morning. Okay?
There is no how you can be busy in the shop tomorrow that you don't have time to calculate all these ones tomorrow. See, you will do all this one tomorrow. Tomorrow is there for you to do work all this one in your shop.
Yeah. To say the facts, I'm not in the mood.
Why are you not always in the mood? Why are you not always in the mood?
I'm not in the mood. That's the facts. And you see that I'm busy. Ask you to let me finish with this. Maybe before I finish everything, I'll be in the mood.
Why are you doing this to me now?
Just let me finish with this.
Come on.
What are you trying to do?
Come on. Don't let this thing relieve me before you put me through. Come on.
What are you trying to do now?
I don't know. Why are you not always in mood? Come on.
You want to rape me?
Rape you?
Yes, that's what you're trying to do now.
Rape you?
Yes, that's what you're trying to do.
You, my wife, rape you?
That's what you're intending to do now.
Even if it is raping, I will rape you tonight.
But I told you I'm not in the mood.
Why are you not always in the mood? It's not the time you're not in the mood. Why is it all this time you're not in the mood? We will do it tonight.
I'm going to this thing.
Jesus. It's all the time that she's not in the mood. And not in the mood is her thing all the time. Touching her, I'm not in the mood. Not in the mood is her thing. For the past 3 months now, not in the mood. When is she going to be in the mood? When is she going to be in the mood? Okay, no problem. Not in the mood. Not in the mood today. Not in the mood tomorrow. Oh, sweetheart, you are around?
Yes. What is going on?
Nothing.
So, why are you in this mood?
I just feel like...
Yeah. Tell me what is going on.
I'm having a problem in the office. I don't know how to put it out.
You know what? Don't say I, but we. We are not one. Your problem is my problem. Tell me what is going on.
Sweetheart, you see, is this our secretary?
Our secretary? What happened to our secretary? Is she sick?
No, is sick. She's not sick. Oh, you see, she's pregnant for us. The lady is just too stupid. I've been trying my best to avoid her, but she will just keep on disturbing me.
She's pregnant for us or she's pregnant for you?
I mean, for the two of us, we are one. And anything that happens to me, I think it has happened to you also.
I don't even get you. Can you please explain yourself better to me?
The stupid girl called herself a secretary, our secretary in the office. I don't know how manage it happens.
Am I dreaming?
I don't know how manage. Huh?
The secretary is pregnant for you.
Sweetheart, hold on. Let me explain in detail. It's not my fault. Yeah.